Today we will be discussing natural selection using bunnies and their fur color. First we will watch the bunny hop across the screen. And then by clicking the fast forward button, we are going to increase the speed of time. And as you can see, our bunny has died. For our next round at this simulation, we are going to press play and then click Add Friend here on the left corner. And now you can see our bunny population has increased by 2, and watching this bar count down, that's when the next generation of bunnies will be brought onto our land. So next we are going to add 3 generations to our bunny population by clicking our fast forward button and waiting until the green bar counts down. 1 generation, 2 generations, and 3 generations. As you can see, the bunny population has grown. Next, we are going to add wolves as a selection factor. Now press play to see how the simulation plays out. Now click pause so we can observe. As we can see, the wolves ate many bunnies and population decreased rapidly. If you continue this process and fast forward through time, you will see that all of the bunnies will eventually be eaten by the wolves. See, all of our bunnies have died. If you select play again, we are going to try something different this time. So first we are going to add friend and increase our bunny population. And then we are going to click brown fur as an added mutation. Press play, and then fast forward 3 generations. Now add wolves as a selection factor, and press play. Observe the bunnies that were left behind by the wolves. Are more of them brown, or are more of them white? More of the brown population was left, even though there was less of the brown bunnies to start. Why do you think that the wolves ate more white bunnies than more brown bunnies? Pause the video and discuss with a neighbor. The wolves ate more white bunnies because the white bunnies were easily seen against the brown dirt, while the brown bunny's fur acted as a camouflage. Next, we are going to click on Reset All in the bottom right-hand corner, and then pause our simulation so we can change the environment that our bunnies are living in. Just like our other simulation, we are going to click on Add Friend, and then add the brown fur mutation, and add 3 generations. 1, 2, and 3. And to continue this simulation, we're going to select wolves as a selection factor, and then press play and watch how your simulation plays out. Now pause and discuss with your neighbor how this simulation location reflects the first location. It is just like the first location, but the opposite instead of white bunnies. The wolves ate more brown bunnies because the brown bunnies were easily seen against the white snow, but the white bunny's fur acted as camouflage. A question you may have is why do the wolves also eat white bunnies even though they're in the Arctic and their fur acts as camouflage? Although the wolves eat a majority of brown bunnies in this Arctic location, they adapt their hunting to find the white bunnies. That is the end. So this concludes our simulation for today. I hope you enjoyed.